Let us understand about the expected follow-up type in the Fitness Post software. Expected follow-up is a type of follow-up that should be opened only if you're expecting part payment from the client while creating the invoice. Let's say this client named Lucy wants to join my gym and wishes to purchase 12-month personal training session worth Rs 4,500. So for creating a new bill, click on the tab as Create New Membership Bill. It will redirect you to a new page. Now here on this page, select the product. That is personal training for 12 months. Add the session owner. Let's say Piyush. And now click on Add to Cart. In the payment sections here, select the payment mode. So as Lucy is paying us in cash, so she's paying us 500 rupees in cash and the rest will be the due amount. So update the amount here and click on Pay Now. So as Lucy is making us a part payment, the follow-up section would open automatically. As you can see here. After clicking on the Pay Now, the follow-up button in red will get reflected. Click on the follow-up button. This will open the Add Follow-up section. So here, select the follow-up type in the drop-down as Balance. Assign to. This would be selected as a client rep, say Piyush. Response will be follow-up again. And convertibility is expected. So now here I have to select the expected payment date and the expected payment time. So expected payment date would be next week, 10th, around 1 p.m. The expected amount will be the remaining part amount. So that we need to add here in this text box. That is 4,000 rupees. And expected date is next week itself. Then we can add comments in the comment box for the balance payment. So this is 12 months, 80 sessions, due amount. Now click on Add Follow-up. As you can see, this gets highlighted into green. Now once we click on Submit here in the green, an invoice will be generated. As you can see, you get a success message as bill created successfully. And now when you go back to the purchase history page, let's refresh it. So when you check your purchase history of this particular client, the bill gets reflected here with the status as overdue. Also note the balance amount will also show membership details section as balance due on the member's profile. Also, you will find the balance payment reminder on the dashboard under expected payment section as per next follow-up date. Alright, this was all about the expected follow-up feature in our Fitness Post software. Thank you.